ass, smart ass, dope dealer. That was a good story, you guys. Your ass need to be in high school. You only in fifth grade. Your ass sure enough needs to be in the first grade. You'll see, but you're just dumb as fuck. Your ass don't take shit from nobody 'cause you passed kindergarten. You out of here. You done dropped out already. That's what you go by. Your ass just want to play football and basketball. Don't want to do shit with your life. Just dumb. Just dumb. Your ass, we all know you. Your ass became a smart dumb dealer. That's all you want to do. Do what your grandfather did. And you know he was successful dope dealer and pimp. So you know what's up, and it's good at school. Good job. We always had faith in your little ass. Go ahead, do what your grandpa did. Whoa! You have that on video.
I put it on Facebook.
You bet.